In this video, we demonstrate how to create a multi-agent workflow using a loop agent. First, we import the necessary agent types from the ADK Development Kit library. LLM agent, a basic agent powered by a large language model. Loop agent, a special agent that acts as a container or orchestrator. It runs a sequence of other agents, sub-agents, in a loop until a specific condition is met or a maximum number of attempts is reached. The processor agent. This is our first sub-agent. Its job is simple. Name equals processor, gives the agent a unique name. Instruction. This is the core prompt. It tells the agent to take whatever the user types and convert it into a strict date format. Output key equals out. The result from this agent will be stored in a variable named out so that the next agent in the sequence can use it. The verification tool. This is a standard Python function that will be used as a tool. Tools allow agents to perform specific, reliable actions. It checks if the string passed to it, which will be the output from the processor, contains the substring year:. If it does, it sets tool.context.actions.escalate equals true. This is a special signal to the parent loop agent telling it to stop looping because the goal has been achieved, and then it returns success. If the format is incorrect, it returns an error message, and the loop will continue. The Validator Agent. This is our second sub-agent. It acts as a gatekeeper. Tools equals verify. We equip this agent with the verify function we just created. Instruction. Its instruction is to look at the output from the previous step, referenced by double curly brace out, and decide whether to call the verify tool. This adds a layer of intelligent decision-making before executing the strict tool logic. The root loop agent. This is the main agent that orchestrates the entire workflow. Sub-agents equals processor, validator. It defines the sequence of agents to run in each loop iteration. First, the processor will run, then the validator. Max iterations equals 3. This is a safety measure. If the agents can't produce the correct format after 3 tries, the loop will stop to prevent infinite execution. Running the application. Now we opens the terminal and runs ADK web dot, which starts a local web server to test the agent in the ADK's user interface. Testing in the UI. 1. Select agent. The developer selects the agent 03 loop. 2. User input. They type in a natural language request. The data was ingested on 5/6/26. Please process this. 3. Agent interaction. The agent processes the input. 4. Trace analysis. The developer opens the trace view to see how the agent worked. The processor agent successfully converted 5/6/26 into year:0026, month:05, day:06. The validator agent received this formatted string, recognized that it contained year:, and correctly called the verify tool. The verify tool confirmed the format was correct, returned success, and set the escalate flag to true. Because the escalate flag was set, the loop agent stopped after just 1 iteration, having successfully completed its task. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, insights, where data engineering meets AI.